So what's happening is Leo is squishing all my internal organs. My stomach, which is normally down here, is like up to here. My lungs are also very squished, so I have really short breath and I have to catch it every like few seconds. I'm out of breath. Oh, it's so hard. To the world, I'm so out of breath. Hey guys, guess who it is? It's Jen. I'm back. It's been months, I know, and I am 7 months pregnant, so I'm already huffing and puffing from this really long setup. It took so long to set this up because since moving we haven't really filmed in this house properly. I'm actually kind of uncomfortable just even sitting here, so I tried my best to really pull out, as I say all the time, my absolute favorite products in this video. I wanted to update you guys at least once before Leo comes out, show you guys my current baby bump, and talk you through some of my favorite products as well, just to update you because I haven't done it in the longest time. I think it's been the longest time like since I've been on YouTube from the very beginning. Also, before we begin, there's going to be a really exciting announcement in this video, something that I've been preparing for months. You guys don't want to miss it, so stay tuned and keep watching until I give that announcement. Yeah, I'm going to start off by showing you guys my current belly. People say that I do have quite a large belly for 7 months. Like some people don't really show even at 7 months, but for me, I already kind of look like I'm ready to pop, well, in my personal opinion. So I thought I would update you guys like as friends. Okay, so here I am. Here's my front view and whoop, side view. I'll show you guys my actual belly. So these are pregnancy pants actually. You guys ready for my bare belly? Here's Leo at 7 months. Pretty crazy, isn't it? So yeah, that's an update from me. Everything is well so far. I did experience a bit of early contractions recently, so my doctor has been putting me off of any vigorous movement or exercise, so I can only do like stretches with my Pilates instructor at the moment. It's kind of frustrating because, you know, when you're pregnant, you just gain a lot of weight naturally just to like store up energy for breastfeeding. You get 50% more blood volume, so there's like swelling happening, all sorts of things. And of course, like your belly's growing, your boobs is growing, your butt is growing, everything. Like especially for me, I used to like going for a run or just going to walk it off, but I can't even really do that at the moment because one, it's really hard to just even walk from room to room at the moment. My butt, everything hurts, my back hurts. And two, my doctor has banned me from it for the moment because there's a chance of premature labor if I do like push myself too much. But everything else has been really good. And Leo kicks a lot lately. I'm singing songs to him. He's growing really strong and healthy. I have gained a little bit of weight. I don't know if you can actually see it. My weight is mainly in my stomach, my boobs, my butt and my thighs. So the rest of like my body is kind of okay. Like my feet haven't grown a size yet, but I'm just like really out of breath to do anything. But yes, May is actually my birthday month, and if it was any of you guys as well, happy birthday. So are you guys ready for a May favorites update? I'm also going to update you guys on Muse Beauty, my brushes that I haven't been talking about for so long. We're going to have a special deal for you guys until Leo comes. We just thought it would be fun to do something like that. So for those who don't know, they've been designed by me. They're handcrafted in Korea, very luxurious quality. The ones that I've had for 3 years, I'm still using it on my actual vanity. Like they last for a long time. And I spent ages designing everything, the box, the like brushes, everything. So we're doing $20 off the entire set. So usually the whole set is $89. We're bringing it down to $69 for a set of 10 handmade brushes. And we're gonna have free shipping internationally across the board up until Leo arrives, which we don't know, it could be any day. So that's kind of just a little special like fun thing that we'd add in there for you guys. But yeah, grab the deal while you can. When we do sell out of these, we possibly may stop selling them altogether, so they might be limited edition. But yes, if you're looking for new brushes or if you've been thinking about getting Muse Beauty brushes for a long time, I think there is no other time than now to get it. Like it's the best deal that that we've ever done. Free shipping and $20 off the retail price. So like each brush, you're paying like $6, $7 for each brush, which is like super, super high quality. Anyways, so that is the first announcement. And the second announcement is actually for something that I have been planning with a team called Basal for months actually. We've been curating a box of my favorite Korean skincare products. There's a great cause behind it as well. So yeah, stay around to the end. But for now, we're gonna start off with my May favorites. We're gonna talk about Korean skincare and makeup, and also some Western products as well that I've been enjoying. This is a huge update because I haven't done a favorites in like half a year or something. So yeah, it is like a girly heart to heart with you, and I hope you guys enjoy spending time with me. And that was a very long intro. But yes, without further ado, let us begin with my May favorites. So I'm gonna go in order of like applying products. So I'm gonna actually start with skincare. So if you guys don't already know, I usually do a best of KBeauty series on my channel at the end of each year. This year I couldn't do it because I was pregnant and like I was just getting through that first trimester and it was just really difficult. So I decided to actually start uploading them on my Instagram. If you do wanna see my actual gathering of my favorites from each category from KBeauty so far, even if it's not like the end of the year, it's like mid-year, but it's still my current favorites. Things that I found rave-worthy after using and trying hundreds and hundreds of products. I'm kind of just doing it as a series of photo posts because it's just a little bit too labor-intensive for me to sit down and make the videos. So if you do want to find out a little bit more than what I'll show you in this video, go check out my Instagram. So yeah, just like really to sum up with a couple of products, some things that I've been really loving for the lotion and toner stage have been these two products, the Rovectin Skin Essentials Activating Treatment Lotion, which you guys have seen me talking about in multiple videos in the past. And then a new one that I've been really enjoying is the Thank You Pharma Rice Pure Essential Toner. So the reason why this one has made it is it's a really good lotion that moisturizes, hydrates, soothes as well. It has really great clean ingredients. Of course, it's non-fragranced, no alcohols, no parabens. So it's been perfect for both before my pregnancy and after pregnancy too. The Rice Pure Essential Toner by Thank You Pharma. I personally didn't really enjoy Thank You Pharma's products because they are usually kind of fragranced. They are usually very light and nice, but I just didn't like the fragrance of it. But they have come out with a new line, Rice Pure Essential line, which totally focuses on really clean, pure ingredients. It's not fragranced and it is all about rice extract. And so this is actually 100,000 ppm worth of rice extract. Like it's pretty much 98%. A really high quality Korean rice water extract, which is whitening, it's brightening, it helps to add translucency to the skin whilst it does hydrate the skin from deep within. You can layer it, it doesn't get sticky, and especially when you're pregnant, the melanin and the pigmentation in your skin just gets really emphasized, and that's why like you can see my moles a little bit more than you normally can. So when you're pregnant, you kind of want to focus a little bit more on things like vitamin C or like natural brightening products. You have to be careful of the other harsh whitening ingredients, but this is like a natural brightener that adds translucency through rice water. So I've been really enjoying this one as well. And within the same line, I've been loving their Rice Pure Gel and Cream, which is actually a really unique product. It also has 100,000 ppm rice water in there. It's a super gentle gel cream that you can use at the end of your skincare routine. And the really unique thing about this is that it actually combines gel and the cream together. You know, some people prefer gel, some prefer cream, some prefer both, but it depends on the day. So this gives you the variety of like picking and choosing what you want to use, like a gel, which is soothing, it's lighter, or a cream which is slightly heavier and better for like winter or when your skin's going through a dry patch. Mix it up if you want, which is what I normally do, and grab like both. A little goes a long way, so it looks like I haven't used much, but I've been actually using this for quite a while. It's really nice, non-fragranced of course. It blends beautifully, and the cream part actually adds a density to it. So I actually included this in my special box, which I'll talk to you guys about in a minute. So I've been really liking that. I also talked about vitamin C as an important factor of your skincare routine, especially when you're pregnant. But of course, when you're not pregnant as well, you want to take care of your skin's tone, the brightness. So something that I've been really enjoying this time is this Korean brand called Jumiso. Jumiso's all-day vitamin brightening and balancing facial serum. So this has licorice root extract, niacinamide, Centella asiatica, and vitamin C. So it's meant to soothe the skin barrier while whilst also improving your skin's overall radiance, which I think, as I said, is really key during this 9 months of your life, but also before and after as well. I really just enjoy this serum. It's very gentle. It's just really easy to integrate into your routine. You could even mix it with your creams. It's in a hygienic dropper bottle like so. So I've been using this about 2 or 3 times a week. You know, the next day after using something like vitamin C, you just want to make sure that you've got really good sunscreen coverage going on, because your skin can be a little bit more sensitive to the sun after using vitamin C. But yeah, as you can see, it just rubs on really smoothly, blends really nicely, and gives your skin a boost of hydration, nourishment, and also takes care of the radiant skin tone. For sunscreen, I've been loving the Banobagi Milk Thistle Repair Sunscreen. You guys saw me talking about this in another favorites video, right? I did kind of go into more detail, but it's a really soothing, light, milky texture. It's the lightest sunscreen I actually have ever tried in any sunscreens, whether it be Korean or non-Korean. So this is actually formulated by a plastic surgery clinic. They actually have a separate facility for skin procedures and skin rejuvenation. So they actually created this whole line for patients who've just come out of surgery, who have sensitive skin, or also for babies to be able to use. It's got SPF 50+, PA quadruple plus. When you're pregnant, titanium dioxide and zinc oxide's fine. Yeah, this one has been amazing. Not only are the ingredients good, but the texture is like super. It's lighter than all of Mish's milky sunscreens that you guys have probably been trying in the past. It's like skincare. For the days when I just need a little bit of a boost of oil, especially because I know Leo is kind of stripping away all of my hydration and all of the oils in my body. I can feel it in my skin, in my hair. I'm not hydrating myself with like 5 liters of water a day. I just feel so dried out. So I'm making sure that I'm consuming a lot of omega-3 through fish oil that doesn't have high amounts of mercury in it. But also I'm trying to incorporate a face oil together with my routine. And the one that I've been loving and trusting has been my trusty old Pyunkang Yul Oil. You guys know all about this. This oil has been the one that I've been trusting on my skin throughout my pregnancy. It's gentle, it works well with any product. It's not too highly greasy. I do feel that it absorbs well. It's actually really, really runny. So that's why it's something that you can mix in with your creams, serums, anything, all over. You can use it not just on your face, but also on your hair, on your belly, on your body as well. It's really nourishing, but it also has minimal ingredients in it. So I've been enjoying that oil. And finally, for skincare, a lot of you guys have been asking me since I've done the whole video on best of KBeauty face masks in the past, what an update is on my best face masks. The other day I actually went through all of my masks and took out the ones that I think are my favorites at the moment. But I didn't get time to actually sit down and make a video for it, but eventually I'll get around to it, guys. But until then, my absolute favorite face mask recently out of them all has been the Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Tencel Sheet Mask. I also like their black one, but this is also amazing for when you just want to do something that boosts the moisture levels of the skin. It's really soothing and moisturizing. It has none of the ingredients which I hate. I actually detest certain ingredients in face masks because fragrance or phenoxyethanol, that kind of thing in your face mask is, to me, it's worse than skincare because you're actually like trapping it onto your skin for a good 15-20 minutes. So you're kind of like making sure that it fully absorbs into your skin. So yeah, this, of course, I've made sure that they don't have it. Super gentle, super moisturizing. I just trust it when my skin is feeling irritated in any way and I want something that is effective yet very thoughtful of my skin. So yeah, that's my final skincare product. So for the exciting news, guys, together with an awesome organization called Bazaar, they've helped me to put together some of my absolute favorites, including the ones that I've mentioned today, into an awesome box called meeJmuse's KBeauty Home Care Box. So it's called the KBeauty Home Care Kit. Ta-da! Looks like this. Those 5 products has the Rovectin treatment lotion, has Jumiso's the all-day vitamin serum, also has the Thank You Pharma Rice Pure Gel and Cream, the Pyunkang Yul Oil, also has 5 pieces of the Klairs face mask. For the first 100 people, we also got this all-day vitamin clean and mild facial cleanser, which is also a really amazing cleanser. It's very refreshing, it's gentle, it doesn't leave any soap scum on your skin. I like it. It's really nice. There's also going to be a ton of samples in here and a cute little hairband for tying up when you're washing your face. All of this, which is actually including the samples, $160 worth, and the price is $59.90 with free international shipping. But letting you guys know that we do have a limited quantity of this. So as soon as this video goes up, the website will be open, so I'll put the link down below. Another awesome thing that I'm really excited about is that half of the proceeds from the sales of the boxes will actually be going towards an organization called Women's Hope Center in Korea, which is actually for women or children who are in crisis pregnancy. It helps to support them if they're having trouble raising their children, or if they're in any compromised situations, maybe like early pregnancies where they don't have the means to take care of the children. So there are volunteers that go and help take care of newborn babies. They do counseling for women who have gone through really difficult times. As someone who is pregnant at the moment, this is a kit that is able to be used by pregnant people, and at the same time, half of the proceeds are going to help women who are in crisis pregnancy in Korea. So it means a lot to me, as well as giving you guys the opportunity to score some awesome Korean products at an amazing price, less than half the price, with free shipping during this time. Don't worry about coronavirus. Everything is being handled very, very carefully and with strict hygiene rules. But yeah, if you guys do want to get your hands on my May Faves kit, make sure you go and check out the link below. So I hope you guys are excited about this. It's actually the first time that I'm actually doing this kind of thing ever. Can you believe it? I've actually had offers to do this kind of thing in the past many times, but Bazal has just been awesome in really curating things that I really believe in, and like just being so cooperative and so loving at the same time. I think also very, very generous to be giving 50% of the proceeds. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that, and we're gonna move on to Korean makeup now. So I'll start off with my favorite foundation. So for foundation, my favorite has actually been this new one by Lancome called Teinte Clarifique. It's the Healthy Radiant